customers within the pilot location at Adidi moved from 3 to 4 hours a day on average to 11 hours daily, right? And then, of course, that's a better place to be. Overall, when they migrated to prepaid to prepayment system, I'm curious to know, did overall, first off, you had mentioned energy went down, but also what happened to collection in that regard? What I'm trying to tease out here is the fact that they now have control, right? And I think maybe and then Onyinye may also mention, maybe they really have been happy with the 3 to 4 hours, right? And 11 hours now seem a sort of luxury in the immediate term. Of course, maybe things can happen much later. I need to situate this because the clamor now is for improvement in service, measured by hours of supply primarily, right? But you can tell us how that connects with ability to pay.
Yeah.
Right.
So I think it was overall, the power usage went up by something like 90% across the entire site. So when more power was delivered, more power was used.
Right.
And what we also found is that what people did instead of using their generators, they switched grid power.
Great.
So overall, people really benefited, and there's a member of the sort of Adida community here tonight, and they welcomed us with really open arms when we went down there. And they listed off some of the benefits that came about from this increased power, things like increased security at night from streetlights, improved quality of life, improved services. So all these things added together to give a really beneficial impact to the community. And there was also much more reliability. So there was a lady who owned a hair salon who was able to run that longer, charge better services because she had more affordable power. And she then said she was able to send her kid to school because she earned additional funds. So these are the holistic benefits to the community. Looking at the disco side, what we haven't quite touched on yet is that the improved because we used prepaid smart meters, but that only works if you have a way of seeing the usage. So we've used our artificial intelligence AI models to run the data, which Anyomi was talking about, to take the meter usage, to take the payment usage, to understand where there's anomalies. And where those anomalies occurred, we then send out the field force team from Ukpaka with the apps we've developed to go and identify and investigate those occurrences. And we managed to detect 6 real-world theft events. So people had bypassed meters
in just 3 months.
It was in a matter of days. And the difference is, like, there's a disco that shall remain unnamed that installed 111,000 smart meters as part of phase 0, and within 6 months, 34,000 of them were bypassed because they didn't have a system over the top, which is helping them to see the usage and identify these losses. So whilst we're improving the collection efficiency, it's the billing efficiency that's the other side, the technical and commercial loss together. So we're helping use the AI to reduce those commercial losses significantly. And it also creates that feedback loop to say, look, you can't get away with stealing power because we will come and our system will find you. And then it's the technical loss analysis to do that full energy accounting piece. So going back to the original question, how does this benefit the entire disco community? It enables the reduction in ATC&C losses, which increases the amount of revenue into the sector, which then enables investment and improvement in the network, which increases the amount of power and delivery. So it's a win-win-win.
Fantastic.